Hello guys, it's Unit 3, Part L.
Next we have gestational age. Gestational age is nothing but the period at which she is pregnant. For example, if the woman is 4 months pregnant, then her gestational age is 4 months. Okay, that is the period of pregnancy. Gestational score. Gestational score is nothing but GPLA. This is how you write the score. Here G indicates gravida. What is gravida? Gravida is nothing but number of pregnancy. Number of pregnancy. That is gravida. Gravida indicates number of pregnancy. In this there are few terms. Premigravida. Premigravida is first time. Premi is first and gravida is pregnancy. Premigravida is a person who is first time pregnancy. If the mother is having the baby for the first time, if the mother is pregnant for the first time, then she is known as premigravida. And there is multigravida, that is if the mother has already undergone delivery and this is a second or third pregnancy, then that is multigravida. Nulligravida. Nulligravida means the woman is not pregnant yet. The woman has never undergone any pregnancy, that is nullgravida. Next, elderly premigravida. Elderly premigravida is, okay, premigravida is first pregnancy. First time the woman is pregnant. Elderly in the sense it is indicating the age. If the woman is more than 30 years old, then that person is indicated as elderly premigravida. If the woman is getting first time pregnant and her age is above 30, then that is known as elderly premigravida. Next we have P. P indicates para. Para is nothing but number of pregnancies ended up at delivery or number of delivery. Para means nothing but delivery. How many deliveries the mother has undergone. That is para. This para has few terms. Premipara, multipara, nullipara. Premipara is the first delivery. Multipara is second and third delivery. Nullipara is no delivery. She has not gone any delivery. And next we have L. L is leaving. A is abortion. Abortion. A is abortion, L is living. Let me teach you how to write this score, okay? Just imagine we have a mother who has already one child. She has one child which is living and she is pregnant now. So it indicates there are two number of pregnancies. She has two children, okay? One is already born, she is alive, and one is already born and the baby is girl, she is alive, and one is carrying. She is carrying one baby. That indicates number of pregnancies 2. She is 2 times pregnant. Two pregnancies. Para, P. Para is number of delivery. How many deliveries? This is not born yet. This is already born. So, 1 para. L is living. How many is living? One is living outside. The inner one is not. The baby which is carrying is not considered. So, the outside one is considered. That is 1 living. Abortion. A indicates abortion. There is no abortion. 0. This is her count.
Questions will be provided at the end of the chapter. Until then, stay tuned. Meet you in the next video.